Dear students, in this video you will learn about load test on single phase induction motor. First we will move to the aim of the experiment to conduct load test on a given single phase induction motor and plot the following characteristics. First one, BHP versus slip, BHP versus efficiency, BHP versus power factor, torque versus speed. So, to conduct this experiment we need following apparatus: voltmeter 0 to 300 voltmeter, MI type. MI type means moving iron type, and you can measure the AC quantities. 1 voltmeter is required. Similarly, ammeter MI type 0 to 5 amperes, ammeter is required 1, and wattmeter 10 amperes and 300 volts 1 wattmeter is required. Tachometer to measure the speed we will use tachometer 1 required, and connecting wires as required. So, this is the circuit diagram or connection diagram of the experiment. According to this circuit diagram, we will connect the voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter and rheostat and R transformer to this experiment. So, this is the procedure. Connections are made as shown in the circuit diagram. Measure and note down the circumference of the breakdown by using cotton thread. So, we have to take the cotton thread and we have to measure the breakdown circumference of the breakdown. Spring balances S1 and S2 are kept in 0 position, 0 output position, and operating the adjusted wheels T1 and T2. So, we will use T1 and T2, we will apply the load by keeping the auto transformer voltage in 0 output position. Switch S1 is closed. By varying the auto transformer voltage gradually and apply the rated voltage of the induction motor around 230 volts we have to apply. No load readings of all the meters and speed are noted down. The induction motor is loaded gradually by threading by strengthening the belt. So, we need to tight the belt and we need to apply the load till the rated current. At each load all the meters and speed readings are noted down. To stop the motor, the load is removed. To stop the motor, we need to release the load and auto transformer is reduced to 0 position and switch S1 is closed. Switch S1 is open. At the end of the experiment, we need to supply switch is disconnected. So, now we will see the demonstration of the experiment. So, this is the load test on single phase induction motor. So, circuit diagram of the single phase induction motor already we have seen in previous slides. According to the circuit diagram, we need to connect the connections, and nameplate details of the induction motor is mentioned on the board. So, connections connected as per the given circuit diagram: auto transformer, ammeter, voltmeter and 3-point starters are connected, DOL starters are connected. So, after connecting circuit diagram, switch on the main supply S1 and adjust the auto transformer to rated voltage, that is 230 volts. So, before starting the experiment, we ensure that no load on the motor. So, we need to check the no load on the motor. So, once it reached to the 230 volts, note down the ammeter, voltmeter, wattmeter, speed. So, now motor is running at 1492 RPM. So, we need to note down the meter and speed readings and spring balances and the circuit diagram. So, after taking the readings, so we need to repeat the steps for different loads. So, the different loads we need to repeat. We need to apply the load for the load on the motor. So, after applying the loads, now we are applying the load. After applying the load, so we need to note down the voltmeter, ammeter and speed on in the tabular column. So, same steps we need to repeat for different readings. After taking all the readings, so we need to release the load on the motor, and we need to bring back the auto transfer to, so we need to release the load on the motor. After releasing the load, so we need to bring back auto transformer to the 0 position. Now switch off the main supply S1. So this is experiment demonstration. So this is a tabular column. So we got these readings from the experiment. So we can do some more two more readings up to the rated current. We can conduct this experiment. So these are the formulas we will use to calculate the output power and efficiency. So these are the model graphs. So these are real graphs from the experiment what we have got, and finally result. Thus following characteristics curves obtained from given experiment: efficiency versus BHP, speed versus torque, BHP versus torque. And these are the most expected Viva questions from this experiment. 8 Viva questions are there. So please prepare, and also we have to score the Viva questions. We have to score marks for Viva questions also. Okay. Thank you everyone.